Welcome to How to Make a Christmas Tree, a three-part tutorial series made by me. In the first part, I'll teach you how to make the tree and making the materials for the tree. In the second part, I'll teach you how to make an ornament and making the materials for the ornaments. In the third part, I'll teach you how to use particle system to distribute the ornaments in the tree and the final render settings. This is the first part where I teach you how to make the tree and make the materials for the tree. First off, enable the Add Curve Sapling Tree Gen add-on and the Node Wrangler add-on in the Preferences tab. Then, in the scene, delete the default cube and add a curved sapling tree gen. Select this panel here and in Preset select Small Pine. Change the settings till you're satisfied. Once you're satisfied, go to the Leaf settings and enable the Show Leaves option. Change the amount of leaves to something greater and I don't know, maybe change the scale of the leaves. Once you're done playing around with the scale, change it from rectangular to hexagonal to get a pointy shape at the end of your leaf. The shape of the tree is done. Now let's add the materials. Select the leaves and add a new material. Go to the material preview panel and in the base color change the material to something like green. Change the subsurface to something about 0.15 and change the STRI to one of your choice. I'm going to be using this one as it has kind of a nice outdoor look and the link will be in the description. Once you're done adding the HDRI, go to the Render View tab, go to Film and enable Transparent. Change it from EV to Cycles and CPU to GPU Compute. Change the color to a darker green and wait for it to load. Now it's time for the bark. Go to the UV editing tab, select the tree bark and convert it into mesh. For the textures, I'm going to be using this bark texture I found on polyhaven.com. Link in description. Go to the shading tab and add a new material. Select the principal BSDF node and hit Ctrl Shift T and select all the images in the zipped folder. This will create a principal texture setup and is way easier than manually having to connect all the nodes. Go to the UV editing workspace, select the tree bark and go to the material preview tab. Then change the UVs till you're satisfied. Once you're satisfied with your work, go to the shading tab and change the strength of the normal to something about 3. That's it. That's how you make a Christmas tree in Blender. In the next part, I'll teach you how to make ornaments for this Christmas tree. Till then, take care.